Let's install the pre-compiled Geant4 libraries in Mac together. Go to the Geant4 website, click on Download, scroll down to the section named Pre-compiled Libraries. Download the library for the latest Mac OS. Choose to save the file to the hard disk. Let's save the file to the download folder. Once the download finishes, open the download file and let the archive utility to extract its contents. Go to the extracted G4 folder. You should be able to see 4 subdirectories. In the lib directory, you can find the pre-compiled libraries for Mac. In the bin directory, you can find a script called G4 config. You can go to the same folder from a terminal. And then run the script with an option called help. From the output, you can see which G4 features are enabled, which are not. There are other options for you to choose. For example, you can use the datasets option to check where the Geant4 datasets are located. Since the libraries were compiled in another Mac, the default datasets location doesn't apply to your Mac. We can run a command to fix this. Let's go to a website called fezino.xyz/gears. Click on Get Started and then install Geant4. Scroll down to the section related to Mac. Copy that one line of code and paste it to the command line. Pay attention to the Geant4 version in the command. Change it to yours if necessary. Now you can use Geant4 config check datasets to verify that the location of the datasets are fixed. However, they cannot be found in that location since you haven't downloaded them yet. Let's use Geant4 config install datasets to download and install them automatically. At the end of the process, you should have all the datasets ready. If you run Geant4 config check datasets, you should be able to verify that they are all installed. The final step is to set environmental variables related to Geant4 for Bash or Z shell, depending on which one you are using. Copy the code from the Gears website and paste it to a file named .bash_profile in your home directory. Save it and quit. Open another terminal, run env pipe grep geant4 to verify your setup. Congratulations, you've just installed the pre-compiled Geant4 libraries in Mac.